Garlic, honey and apple cider vinegar must have excellent home remedy. Detoxifying the body isn't easy. But with the right ingredients, you can do it without spending too much. You will need 1/3 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic. The first thing to do is to clean the garlic cloves and cut them in half. Mix all the ingredients into a bowl and place it in the refrigerator. This remedy contains best effect for 5 days. If this has been taken after 5 days, it is fine. However, it contains less effect on the entire body. In order to have the best result, take 2 tablespoons in the morning. In order to get rid of its flavor, add some water or juice to it. The mixture is very strong, and should not be taken directly. Always consume this in the morning. This remedy is an immune stimulant. It lowers blood pressure as well as cholesterol. If you are someone who still believes in that hypothesis, it leads to fewer colds and infections, and is helpful in conditions such as gout, arthritis, and joint aches. It is also a good tonic for the digestive tract and benefits the skin, and is helpful in weight loss. The apple cider vinegar must be unfiltered and the honey must be raw, unpasteurized, and preferably organic honey for all the benefits to be realized. One of the main reasons honey is pasteurized is to speed up the packaging process. Heating makes it flow much quicker, so pretty much all honeys from supermarkets will be unsuitable. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.